guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, 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 what's up? Y'all already know this real. If y'all can tell by the title, if y'all can see from my background, y'all already know what type of video this is gonna be. Y'all already know the drill, baby. We have some more packages to unbox. This is too much for me. Honestly, I don't know like what's really in here for real. I'm just ready to get started. So y'all already know the drill from my last videos, where this stuff come from, what I gotta do with this stuff. So we just gonna get started. We just gonna unbox. First, we're gonna start with this. I don't know what this is, but I'm interested. I'm interested to see what it is. Wait a minute. So y'all put this in here like this. Hold on, wait. This better not be this perfume. Oh my soul, this better not be it. Why would y'all put this perfume in individual bubbles? These people are so funny. Like, what? Like, why would they do this? That's what was in there. Girl, I'm thinking it's something like a pillow. This is perfume. At the end of the day, I think, yeah, this is perfume. It is so cute, though. I'm glad they sent that. I don't even know what's... Like, I love being surprised. I don't like checking my my samples no more because I love seeing, like, what I got. So, next package, I already know what this is. Turmeric little kit or whatever it comes with. The turmeric pad. Turmeric, whatever that is. And it comes with a turmeric soap bar. Period, period, period. I have a lot of turmeric. Honey, honey, honey. So I'm just grabbing packages randomly that, like, you know, I see across the floor because it's so many. So many. Not that many now that I'm looking, but it's still a lot. A lot for me to be opening right now. So boom. I know what this is though. This is this famous Dubai chocolate thing. And I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator as soon as I get out. Soon as. Literally. I already know what it is. Yup. Yup, 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 yup. Yup, 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 yup. If y'all ain't seen this, get hip, babe. I think they sent me 2 of them. Let me open the second one real quick. Period. I cannot wait to try this. Everybody said it was good. Everybody said like it was busting. I hope they ain't lying just for the review. I hope they ain't lying. Hell. But I'm so excited about it to try this Dubai chocolate little cup thingy. Yes, Dubai chocolate hot bar. It looks good. Nerdy nuts, whatever that's supposed to mean. Okay. Boom. Next package. Y'all, I'm running through this today. I ain't got time for this. I got stuff to do. Other stuff to do. Yeah. Light hold. Okay, this is something for my son's hair. I actually wanted to try this because, you know, his hair is really thick. So I'm trying to see, like, what's it giving for real. So, that's good. Next. Trying to get through y'all. Trying to get through y'all. My granny is calling me right now. I need to hurry up. I really do. Hold on. Y'all need to stop putting all this stuff on these packages. It's not even called for. It's not. Why y'all putting all this stuff on these packages like this? Okay, this is a hair oil. Can't never go wrong with the hair oils, babe. Period, period, period. This is Go Pure. I feel like I know what this is. I think this is like this anti-aging wrinkle cream or something. Hold on. Let me see. Go Pure. Yep. No, this is the belly cream. So I'm gonna try this belly cream. They said they got a lot of good reviews on there, so I'm gonna try that one. I'm gonna try it. But let's do it. Oh my god, this is another under eye mask. I know exactly what this is. I'm gonna open it up just for you guys. See what I tell y'all? Why do they put all this stuff on here like this? Like sticker here, sticker there, tape here, tape there. Like, I am in love with eye masks now, y'all. I am in love. Like, in love? In love. Period. I got so many different flavors, so many different colors of eye masks. Like, whew. No more bags for me. Next. Gotta hurry up. Not they double bagged her. Oh. Girl, y'all better say something. Who can fit this? Just somebody let me know. Who can fit this? What is this supposed to be? Girl, are you okay? This is the size of my arm. I don't know, y'all. Some of this stuff be a hit or miss, as y'all can see. Because what the hell? What the hellion? What the hellion? Honey sticks. Hormonal health. Okay, boom. They send me a lot of like, you know what I'm saying, supplements and stuff like that right there. I really shouldn't take this stuff. Some people say that the stuff that they be getting be helping them. I don't know. I be scared to take stuff, but you know, I ain't scared to try these makeups and stuff, so I might as well try it. It's another little nudie lip or whatever. Y'all know I love me some lip gloss. Period, period, period. What is this they don't put in here like this? Like, what? What? Lip butter. Period. Some more stuff on my lips. I need a lip mask. I think I got a lip mask, but I need some scrubs. I might use that turmeric scrub on my lips because I'm not feeling it. Not at all. Hell. Nobody want to have no burnt lips. Alright, next. We doing all the small ones first. Literally, all the small ones. Period. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, this is for the fridge. This is so cute, y'all. Ain't this so cute? We're getting the holiday season. I'm getting holiday decorations. That is so cute, isn't it? That is so cute. Alright, I already know what this is. They sent me hella bras. I got like 10 bras from them. Like, they done came out with this new collection. I don't know if it's new or old, or I'm just hip to it. But baby, this bra is so tea. When I tell you, just does. It looks just like the picture. Period. Period. Isn't this so cute, y'all? Isn't this bra so cute? Tea. I'm wearing this today. Yeah, I'm wearing it today. Yeah. Period. Hold on. More small packages. Ooh. Busting out the bed, aren't you? Ooh, I can't do that one. Oh, why would they put this in there like that? So this is this lace glue kit. It comes with hair glue, a comb, a brush, some wig caps, the glue, I think the remover, and some more shit. It comes with all that stuff in here. So yeah, I ain't taking that out. There's too much in there. Too much. Too much. I'm glad I seen this. I'm about to throw this away with the trash. Alright. Let me see. This is supposed to be her Fantasy Balls Body Magic. Yeah, for your pH balance, wherever the fuck that is. And y'all, I'm getting like mostly viral products. Not saying that I'm never going to use them, but more than likely, like, most of these products I just got because they were viral and I know they're probably going to sell. That's the key. That's the gag, babe. What is this? Oh my goodness. I've been wanting to try this. Like, y'all, look. I got some seaweed. I got some seaweed. They said it's good. Kimchi. Salsa flavored. Spicy, tasty, crispy. Ooh. Ooh. I might put this in my little review to do like Asian snacks. I think they sent me like an Asian snack box, but it's not that many snacks in here, so I don't know. I don't know, y'all. So are we on to the boxes? Yeah, we're on to the rest of the boxes, y'all. This is actually going faster than what I thought because I'm getting up out of there. Get up out of there. This ain't gonna be a long video at all. Ooh. See, why would they? You see this? They put a box inside of a box just for this. I've been doing too much. I don't even know what that is. I don't know. John just made me mad. Picking up all that space. Away. Away. Alright. Next package. Ooh, what is this? Liquid laundry detergent, cashmere. Look, now we got some liquid laundry detergent. Now I ain't got to buy no more detergent, honey. We can use this. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, they got a thing on it. Of course. Anyway. Saltaire. They love me as so tool. Let me bust this bitch open. Bust her down. Oh my gosh, this is my lip thingies. I've been waiting on this. Like, y'all, some of this stuff I have been waiting on. Like, love. I'm gonna have so many. I'm gonna need like a whole different vanity at this point. Cause what? Look, y'all. I know y'all done seen this. This Saltaire bundle with the lip oil balm. Tea. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna save the big ones for last. Even though there's probably nothing in there. But yeah. Okay, this is another package from Ramen, another lip combo. Period. I live. Anything ramen, anything yeah, Glam Light, period. Love them. Love them boots. Okay. What is this? Sleeping pack. So this is supposed to be for your lips. I was just seeing like how I need a lip mask and stuff, so hopefully that works or whatever. Hopefully they ain't capping me down. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so hurry up. Like, look how they got, girl, why y'all got tape all through here? They got tape all through there. How do you even open this? They gonna fuck around, and I'ma just say fuck it, cause what the hell? Got all this tape on here like this. But look at that stupid shit. Oh, this is Prequel, another skincare brand, y'all. Prequel, another skincare brand. They're going viral right now. So yeah, there's that. Next, we got about 1, 2, 3, 5 packages left. Yay! I know it seemed quick because I rushed through this because I ain't got time for this today. I really didn't even want to open these packages. The hell, I'm gonna sort them and all this extra stuff another time. Here they go with the same shit with this damn tape. Yo, why would y'all do this? Why? Ooh. Oh, this is made. They always send me some stuff like this. I love this little duster bag. I might start using it. They always send their stuff in like a cute little dusty. Okay, it's a little bundle. I think this is what? Eyeshadow, and this is shadow blush, whatever the fuck that's supposed to mean. Alright, y'all, we coming down to the finishing stretch. Let's get her done. Let's see what this is. I'm interested. Like, this is like, everything has been such a surprise. I got everything that I needed, everything that I wanted, and some of the stuff. Yeah, more Cyclar. Y'all love me, don't y'all? Y'all send me everything. What is this? Body cream. Oh yes, because I got mad last time. That was the body wash. This is the body cream. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Can't wait. Bitch, I'm gonna bust it open right now. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm using this today, period. Okay, so boom. What is this? It's a little heavy. I hope it's something in here, because yeah. So Medicube done sent me another version of their skincare line. I have so many Medicube products. Y'all, Medicube, that girl, I'm telling you now, I'm putting you down. I'm putting you on. Okay, I'm gonna open that later. So this is another package. Come on. We got like 2 more. This is second to the last. I already know what this is. Yep. This is the Mary Ruth's multiple liquid vitamins. I'm gonna actually start taking this. Hopefully it actually does some good for me, because I had this before and I didn't take it like for real, but I see people saying it got a lot of like good benefits. So I'm probably gonna start like getting up on my Zoom with that one, you know. Okay, so boom, this is the last few, and this is the Asian snack. I'm not gonna say a snack box because I think it's just one type of snack, but multiple boxes. Yep, I knew it. I wish they would send me the milk cakes. Like, what? Send me the milk cakes. So they sent me these little, I don't know what these are. I did not expect these to be, so these are egg tarts. Wait. So this is Cake Ugly, and it says egg tarts. Ooh, cannot wait to try this. Should I do a video on this, y'all, with y'all? Like, let me know. But yeah, y'all, that is it for all of my little PR packages this time, this round. I feel like I got a lot of good things. What was something that you seen that you wanted to try or you feel like you will buy or whatever? But yeah, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.